Hi friends, so today we're going to do something really exciting. So this is our first day that we're going to start this, and so today is Friday. So we're going to do something called Free Write Friday. How cool. So my goal is that you learn to love to write. That's my goal. That's what I want you to be able to do. I want you to love to read and write. Life is one big story and I want you to be able to tell it. That's my goal for you this year, is that you learn to love to write. So what I want you to do today is I'm not going to give you a lesson. I'm not going to tell you what to write about. You get to write whatever you want to write about today. You can write another narrative story. You could write an informational piece if that's what you're into. You could write a persuasive piece if you're like, I really want to convince mom and dad I need a pet. This would be a good time to do it. You could write a fairy tale. Okay. You could write a chaptered book. Do whatever you, any kind of writing that you want to do, go for it. But it has to be a whole page. You have to give me a whole page today, but it can be whatever you want. I'm not going to tell you what to write about. So ready? I want you to close your eyes. I want you to think about what you're going to write about today. Envision it. Go. You have 30 minutes. Go.